CBI chief continues to face the heat over reports that he met several people who were being investigated by the agency at his official residence. Times Now tracks down the visitors at Ranjit Sinha's residence in the second part of our investigation.
Multiple entries in a logbook that was allegedly kept at the CBI chief Ranjit Sinha's house have been the cause of much trouble for Sinha, with pressure building on him. If these diary entries are true, who are these people who allegedly met the CBI boss? Times Now tries to locate some of them. Their first stop, Old Delhi's Chandni Chowk.
White Fortuner DL4C AP 8000 is registered in the name of Rajendra Gupta at this address in the narrow lanes of Sitaram Bazaar. Rajendra Gupta is supposed to be one of the many visitors to CBI Chief Ranjit Sinha's official residence. When we spoke to his mother here, she says she has no idea what he does, where he lives, or at what time he will be available. ये राजेंद्र गुप्ता जी का घर है? घर में कोई है? जरा बुलाइए.
But Rajendra Gupta's mother clamped up, refusing to disclose any details about her son.
राजेंद्र गुप्ता जी आपके कौन हैं लगते हैं?
है तो मेरा बेटा, लेकिन मेरा कुछ पता नहीं.
ये उनकी वो गाड़ी कौन सी चलाते हैं?
मुझे पता ही नहीं है तो मैं आपको क्या बताऊं.
उनका ऑफिस कहाँ पे है और
मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं है तो मैं आपको क्या बताऊं. जब मुझे कुछ पता होगा तो मैं आपको बताऊंगी. मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं है.
राजेंद्र गुप्ता जी जो थे वो इस गाड़ी में, जिस गाड़ी का हमने जिक्र किया है, वो सीबीआई चीफ रंजीत सिन्हा के घर जो लोग गए थे उनमें से वो भी एक थे जो मिलने गए थे. आप इस बारे में कुछ बता पाएंगे?
मुझे कुछ नहीं पता.
Another alleged entry in the diary leads Times Now to this posh colony in South Delhi, home to one Vinay Sehgal, who shows up many times in the diaries.
Mr. Sehgal से मिल सकता हूँ? अभी तो नहीं है. अभी घर पे नहीं है. अच्छा. नहीं, हम यहीं हैं, आप बता दीजिएगा.
While Vinay Sehgal did not come out, all the three cars mentioned in the alleged entry logs at the CBI chief's house were found parked outside his house. After a while, Vinay Sehgal did show up.
Sehgal. Can I talk to you, Mr. Sehgal? Can I talk to you, Mr. Sehgal?
One of the cars that allegedly makes an entry at 2 Janpath is DL1YC 6917. Registered to one Virender Singh, resident of this Humayunpur village near the NCC office in Delhi.
अरे वीरेंद्र! वीरेंद्र!
सर कोई टैक्सी किसी गगन जी नाम के आदमी ने
नहीं, वो चलाते हैं किसी. हाँ? वो तो उनके फादर हैं.
While Virender Singh's father couldn't tell us much, the neighbors were more forthcoming.
नहीं, जो नंबर आप बता रहे हैं ना, वो उन्हीं के पास में ही है. ठीक है, लेकिन वो ये सिर्फ नहीं पता ना कि वो किसके पास आते हैं. 99% उनके पास जितने भी आते हैं वो सब एयरपोर्ट के आते हैं.
अच्छा, एयरपोर्ट की.
It is not clear who these people are or what connect they allegedly have with the CBI boss. But the heat is on this man to explain why the alleged long list of assorted visitors made a beeline to his house. Bureau Report, Times Now.
Let's go across to Bilal, who joins us on the phone line. Bilal, as our investigation shows, there is truth in what the visitor's diary reflects. The car numbers and the addresses that they're registered to match. Mr. Sinha, of course, now has to explain in court.
Yes, absolutely. Not just in the 2G case. Remember, last week the matter was also taken to the CGI bench in the Colgate scam as well. So it clearly basically means that all of these visitors who've been coming to the CBI director's residence, the fact that they have had either direct or indirect connections.
All right, we've just lost that line with Bilal, but he was one of our reporters who visited the residence of one of those names mentioned in the visitor's diary at Ranjit Sinha's official residence. The connect that Ranjit Sinha has with these people is not clearly established, but the earlier part of our investigation has clearly showed that there have been people who visited Ranjit Sinha who are part of the list of accused in the 2G and the coal scam. Bilal is back on the phone line with us. Bilal, you're taking us through the details that seem to implicate Ranjit Sinha.
As of now, of course, the court has asked Ranjit Sinha to come back with a reply and tell the court on what really were the reasons behind these meetings. Remember, in that while sending the notice, the court did observe that this is a very serious allegation against Ranjit Sinha. First, of course, it was the bench listening to the 2G case, and then later on, in fact, the case also went to the CBI bench on the Colgate scam. Now, that basically just means that at this stage, Ranjit Sinha, the director of CBI, will have a lot of answering to do and trying to explain who are these people who are coming there. These are not just people coming there just about 5 or 10 times. These are not just people who could be relatives. These are people who have either direct or indirect connections with companies that have benefited either in the 2G scam or, for that matter, in the Colgate scam as well. So at this stage, of course, a lot of answering that remains to be done.